And the best? No, that's what I was gonna say later. But we won't reshoot the first one? You'll be cutting this, right?
The best thing about my time at Rational is that my colleagues actually became friends. A good day for me at Rational looks like this. I'm the last one to arrive at the office. I grab my coffee, start up my computer, and sit down at my desk. I hope that all my colleagues will be there and not working from home. Then I get started.
Homeoffice sind und dann lege ich los.
I'm already looking forward to further good collaboration with my future tasks and colleagues. Okay, what Rational means to me? Rational is my life. I'll be 50 this year. I've been with Rational for 25 years. So myself and Rational basically share our birth year. It couldn't be better.
And I'm already looking forward to the anniversary year 2023 and the plant opening in Wittenheim.
It's like family to me, and simply the best company in the world. And I'm already looking forward to tonight's next course.
Thank you, Rational, for having me.
What Rational means to me? It's simply the best company in the world. And it has currywurst with fries.